So right now, the next thing you want to do is for you to complete your registration step. These are the details you will need to fill for your KYC verification. I said it earlier that KYC means know your customers. So you'll be needing your BVN, you'll be needing your personal information, next of kin details, then your document. So we'll be taking this one after the other for you to understand how it should be done and what it entails. Click on your continue right down here and it will take you to this place. You can see it has 1 out of 4 slides that you need to complete to input the correct details. Here you have bank. If you click on this arrow that comes down, it's going to display all the banks we have here for you. And let me explain this. What this means is that any of those bank that you choose is what will be linked to that your account, to that your Afrinvestor's account. And once it's linked to it, it means any of your dividend that you want to get, any money you want to withdraw, will be sent to that account that you have linked to your Afrinvestor's app. So meaning if you are to link any account, you link your traditional bank. Yes, I said traditional bank in the sense that the bank, your local bank. For example, we have Access, we have Eco Bank, we have Fidelity, First Bank, UBA, Guaranteed Trust Bank. You can see all the banks that are listed here. If you come here and input OPay, you can see OPay is not here. If you come and input PalmPay, PalmPay is not here. You will not see PalmPay here. So make sure you choose the bank that you have here and proceed. Let's choose Access. Then you input that your Access account number, your correct Access account number that has your name on it. Then account name, the name you have on that your account on Access. Input it, both the number and the name, and make sure you are inputting the correct thing. If it's something that you don't know of it, try to write it out correctly so that you will not make any mistake. Why I keep on saying don't make mistake is that if you input some wrong details, the KYC will not be successful, so you won't gain access to your final dashboard. I hope you are getting me. Then you come right down here and input your BVN and your first name and your last name. For those of us who might be saying which one is my first name or which one is my last name, your first name is your own personal name. For example, I am Deborah Rafiu. My first name is my personal name, which is Deborah. Then my last name is my surname. So your own surname might now be your father's name, if that is what you are bearing, if that is what is on your credentials, or your husband's name, if that is what is on your credentials. Please put this at the back of your mind, that your surname is either your father's name or your husband's name that you have on your NIN, on your driver's license, on your voter's card. So that is what this is all about. Then you click on save and continue. So right now we just completed our BVN verification submission. The next thing is for you to fill your personal information details, where you will be having in the next slide that your own is going to take you to. My own cannot take me to anywhere simply because I am not opening a real account here, because I don't have two BVN that I want to use, so I am not submitting any BVN. That is why I cannot gain access to the next interface, but you will be gaining access to it once you click on save and continue. Then what you need to do is to fill your correct details accordingly without making any mistake. Your date of birth, your name, your surname, your NIN, and your address. Then for your address, make sure you are submitting the address you have on your NEPA bill or the address you have on your bank statement. The reason why you need to submit either the address on your NEPA bill or the address on your bank statement is because you will be asked to upload that as your proof of address. So for those saying I don't have NEPA bill, if you don't have NEPA bill, you can use the address on your bank statement. And how do you get that? You don't need to go to the bank. I have a video on this channel where I explain in details how you can get your bank statement in minutes just from your phone. So check it out. This is the title of the video showing on the screen. Go and check that video out, watch it and get your bank statement so as for you to input the address on that your bank statement for your easy KYC acceptance. Every details you have on the next slide, make sure you fill them correctly. Then after that, you click on save and continue. It will take you to the next interface where you will need to submit the correct details of your next of kin. So your next of kin might now be your husband, your sister, your brother, or your mother. It depends on who your next of kin is. If you have watched this video to this extent and you gained value from it, drop it in the comment section that I gained value in this. And if you have any question, also drop your question in the comment section. I am going to be giving answers to each and every question. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if this has been helpful, and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified each time I drop new videos. Let's continue. The correct details of that person is what you should input in that particular place. It's for your own safety if you know you are serious about having the account, because if at the end you did not input your correct details, most especially your own correct details, you will not get access to that account and you will not be able to start opening another account again simply because your BVN has already been registered. So make sure you input every correct details on every area. Then you click on save and continue after you might have inputted your next of kin details correctly. It will take you to where you will need to submit your document, and the documents required of you to submit will be uploaded. So just click on upload, then you pick that particular document that you want to upload. You have your proof of address section where you will upload the proof of address that you've downloaded from your bank or your NEPA bill. Then you will also need to upload your either your NIN, your traveling passport, or your driver's license. Anything that has your identity on it can be used as your document. Those are the things that are required of you to submit when you are doing your KYC. Try as much as possible to do the right thing so as to get your account activated for you instantly without delay. So once you submit all the necessary documents, your account will be created and you will be given a CSCS number. That CSCS number is your personal unique identification number for your own account. That is the number that will make you to know that you already have an account that you are about to be building with Afrinvestor 2.0. If you find this video helpful and you really love to see more of this on this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like this video if you are yet to like it, so as to send a signal to YouTube that we are doing something great right here on this channel. So right now I will be taking us to see how your account will look like after you might have sign up and done your KYC and your KYC has been accepted and your account has been activated. Let's go there. Check out this video on your screen for you to gain access to check out if your account has been activated or not and start buying your shares to build your portfolio. I will see you in the next video.